So friends, in this lesson number 1, we are going to learn introduction on the topic called average. So friends, everyone, those who are preparing for a competitive exams, I think you know that how to find an average, right? So average is equal to sum of observation divided by total number of observation. For example, if they ask what is average of this number, right? So 10, 60, 46 and 20. If we need to find an average of the number, initially we need to add all the numbers, right? So 10 plus 60 plus 46 plus 20 divided by total number of observation, that is 4. So the resultant answer will be the average of this number. So friends, for some cases, without using a formula or without adding, by seeing a number itself, we can directly say average of the number. But the number should fall any one of this category, right? So friends, for example, let me take what is consecutive numbers. I think everyone knows what is a consecutive numbers, right? If it is a consecutive number, successive numbers 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. It is a consecutive numbers, right? For example, 991, 992, 993, 994. It is also a consecutive numbers. So the successive numbers which we used to call it as a consecutive numbers. Listen here friends, the consecutive numbers formula are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4 and so on. For example, just substitute any value of x friends. I am just going to substitute x is equal to 90. If I assume that x is equal to 90, then it will be 90. 90 plus 1 will be 91. 92, 93 and 94. So friends, the resultant answer will be a consecutive numbers. If it is a consecutive number, then the center number will be its average, right? For example, the numbers are 90, 91, 92, 93 and 94. If they ask what is the average of this number, then we can definitely say that there are 5 numbers, right? So totally there are 5 numbers. The center number will be its average. So the center number is 92. So we can directly say that the average of this 5 consecutive numbers will be 92. So friends, listen here friends, let me take any example question, right? So let me take an example of question number 3. Listen here friends, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100, right? If they ask to find what is average of this 5 number, then we need to check whether it is a consecutive number or non-consecutive numbers. It is a consecutive number, right? 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So it is a consecutive number. So if it is a consecutive number, then the center number will be its average. So we can say that 98 will be the average for question number 3, right? So friends, let me take another example, right? So let me take example number 4. Listen here friends, what 1, 102, 103 and 104. So if they ask what is average for question number 4, first of all, we need to check whether it is a consecutive number or not. It's a consecutive number, right? So 101, 102, 103, 104, it's a consecutive number. So if it is a consecutive number, then the center number will be its average. So center number will be 102.5. So we can say that average for question number 4 will be 102.5. So friends, second case friends, listen here, it is a consecutive odd numbers and next will be consecutive even numbers. So friends, both the consecutive odd numbers and even numbers, both the formulas are same. The value that you are going to substitute for x, the resultant will be a consecutive odd number or consecutive even numbers. Listen here friends, if I put x is equal to 1, it is an odd number, right? So the resultant will be 1. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, 1 plus 4 will be 5, 1 plus 6 will be 7 and 9 and so on. So friends, here both the formulas are same, but the value that we are going to substitute for x, resultant will be an consecutive odd or consecutive even. So friends, if I substitute value of x is equal to 4, an even number, right? So here it is 4. So 4 plus 2 will be 6, 8, 10 and 12. So the resultant will be consecutive even numbers. So friends, both the formulas are same. Remember that the value that we are going to substitute for x, the resultant will be consecutive odd or consecutive even number. So friends, similarly, let me take any one example friends. So example number 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So friends, first of all, we need to check whether it's a consecutive number or consecutive odd number or consecutive even number, right? So friends, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's a consecutive odd numbers, right? If it is a consecutive odd numbers, then the center number will be its average. So we can definitely say that 5 will be the average for example number 1. Right? So let me take example number 2. So 26, 28, 30, 32 and 34. So it is a consecutive even numbers, right? So 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, it's a consecutive even numbers. If it is a consecutive number, then we can surely say that the center number will be its average. So we can definitely say that answer for question number 2, that is 30. So friends, last fifth question. So 52, 54, 56 and 58. It is a consecutive even numbers, right? So if it is a consecutive even number, the center number will be its average. Here the center number will be 55. So we can finally say that the average for example number 5 will be 55. So friends, remember only one simple concept, that if it is a consecutive number or consecutive odd numbers or consecutive even numbers, the center number will be its average, right? So friends, don't forget to watch all the remaining lessons, that is lesson number 3, lesson number 4. I think totally there are 7 different lessons. So don't forget to watch all the 7 lessons and share this video to your friends so that your friends can also learn this. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.